Welcome back. Let's now solve problem 5. So the problem 5 says simplify the following expressions. So I have first part 15 minus 6i. This question was from complex numbers, minus 3 minus 9i. Now this is just the arithmetic of two complex numbers. So solution will have 15 minus 6i, minus times plus is minus, minus is plus. Then collect real terms together and imaginary parts together. So 15 minus 3 minus 6i plus 9i. Now 15 minus 3 is 12, minus 6i plus 9i is plus 3i. So that is the solution to that first part. And then part B, or part 2 of question 5. The question is 8 into 6 minus 9i plus I into 4 plus 7i. Once you are dealing with complex numbers, always know that I is the square root of -1 and I squared is the same as -1. So this must always be clear whenever you are dealing with complex numbers. So solution, let's open. So 8 by 6 is 48. 8 by minus 9i is minus 72i. I times 4 is 4i. I times 7i is plus 7i squared. But I squared is minus 1. So this is the same as 48 minus 72i plus 4i and then plus 7. But my I squared is minus 1. So this will be 48 minus 72i plus 4i, then minus 7. Now collecting real parts, so 48 minus 7 minus 72i plus 4i. Now 48 minus 7 gives you 41. And then minus 72 plus 4i gives you minus 68i. So therefore the answer is minus 41 minus 68i. Roman 3, we have to simplify the square of 3 plus 2i. So solution, the square of this number means the number multiplied by itself. So we'll have 3 plus 2i squared is the same as 3 plus 2i. You multiply by 3 plus 2i, which is the same as 3 times 3 plus 2i plus 2i times 3 plus 2i. This is how we expand two brackets. 3 by 3 is 9. 3 by 2i is 6i. 2i times 3 is 6i. 2 times 2 is 4. And then I times I is I squared. But don't forget I squared is -1. So we'll have 9. This will give us 12i plus 4 times -1. So this will be 9 plus 12i minus 4. Then collecting real parts, we'll have 9 minus 4 plus 12i. 9 minus 4 is 5. So we have 5 plus 12i. So this is the solution to that part. And lastly, Roman 4 of question 5, we have 5 plus I squared plus 5 minus I squared. So to solve this, we have 5 plus I times 5 plus I, and then plus 5 minus I times 5 minus I. This is the interpretation of the squares. So we write this as 5 into 5 plus I into 5 plus I plus 5 into 5 minus I into 5 minus I. So this will be 25 plus 5i plus 5i, I times I is I squared, plus 25 minus 5i, and then minus 5i, minus minus is plus, I times I is I squared. So this will be 25 plus 10i, I squared is minus 1, plus 25 minus 10i, I squared is minus 1. Then collect real parts. So we'll have 25 minus 1 plus 25 minus 1 plus 10i minus 10i. So 25, so this is the same as writing 25 plus 25 minus 1 minus 1. This is just 0 plus 0. So this is 50 minus 2, and this gives us 48. Or you can write it as 48 plus 0 I. So that is what that problem simplifies to. So in the next session, we'll do problem 6. Thank you.